This model kit review is of the Ferrari F430. It is a 1/24 scale model by Revell, and there are the dimensions and colors needed, and here's a picture of the finished model, and parts needed. Let's have a look inside. Here's our body, and it's very nicely molded. Looks like we've got some glue here that will need to be sanded down. Otherwise the molding is pretty good. Looks like this one was started already. And this is probably for the engine cover. The back, there are the hinges. Little rough edges here and there, but otherwise reasonable. Here is the cockpit. It's got our wheel wells molded on already, and also reasonably well molded. Parts have already been removed here. It looks like a suspension part still on here. This is our handbrake and seats. Here are our wheels. I'm going to have to remove these. They're right on the edge, which means that when you cut that off it's going to be visible. And looks like this is probably going to be our central console, which I would not be having as chrome. Here we have the insides of our doors, and also probably part of the console, center console. Here's the engine bay cover. We have our windshield wipers, and here's our rear view mirror. It'll go like that with the sun visors. Let's have a look at all these parts that have been taken off and started already. So here we have the engine, which has been sort of put together. Got exhaust parts on here, air intakes, valve covers. It's all going to need to be taken apart and redone so they can be painted properly. Here's our dashboard. We've got our pedal box on already, and steering column as well. That's going to be taken off. We have our wheel parts. And our brakes. So I only see 2 brakes there. Maybe there's another one here. Yeah, I'm missing one more brake pad there. Let's have a look, see if it's in here. So here's our front bumper with headlights and side mirrors. Here are our tires. These are kind of hard vinyl, but the molding quality is pretty good. Here's our chassis and our glass. So it looks like we might be missing one of these. Let's have a look inside here at our instructions. Colors needed there. Here is the engine. That's already been started. Unfortunately, we have to take it apart to do it again. That's then mounted onto the chassis. Put our dashboard together. That's also already been started. We put our central console together. We build the cockpit with the doors. And all that stuff's mounted into the cockpit, including the chairs. That's all placed on the chassis. Wheels are then put on. And we put the glass pieces in the body, and our engine cover, as well as the hood. That's all mounted onto the body, and then the body is completed to put on the chassis. All the extra little pieces in the body. There's the painting and decal guide. So all in all molding quality is okay. Good amount of detail for both the cockpit and the engine bay. So that's a good model. So I forgot to look at the decals. Here the decals are. There are a lot of decals, and they're nicely printed. And I did find the extra brake pad.